In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a new Google site. I'm in my Drive, and from here, you'll want to click on the New button. And then on the drop-down menu, come down to the word More. And on the little menu that pops out from there, you'll find about halfway down Google Sites. This is going to open a new Google site for you to work on. Takes just a moment for it to set up. So this is one way you can start a new site. I will show you another one in just a second. Once this opens, if you've ever worked in Google Sites, maybe you've done it in a different class or maybe last year, you might notice that the new Google Sites does have a different look to it. It's a little bit cleaner. It's supposed to be a drag and drop type interface. You'll want to give it a title right up here, just like you would with the Google document. And in the future tutorials in this assignment, you'll get some information about how to use the very clean and simple menu here. But the next thing I just wanted to show you real quick is kind of like a lot of the other website builders. When you've done a little work on it, just go ahead and hit the Publish button. You're going to want to do that right away. This is your chance to name your site. The first part of your site's URL is going to look like this, but you do have some say in what you want the end part to be. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my name in there, and you can see that's going to be my complete URL to my website. I do have it set that anyone at Bettendorf can see it. I am not exactly sure what students can see, but you do have two options. It can be anyone on the web, and it can be anyone at Bettendorf Community Schools. This, maybe for right now, you might want to leave that unchecked so that when you do a Google search, it's not popping up. But that'll be something you'll have to decide later, maybe when you're a little bit older, perhaps, if you decide to use something like this for building your digital footprint online. So anyway, I'm going to click the Publish button here, and I'm just going to go ahead and say anyone on the web can see it. And I'm going to hit Publish. Now, let's say a couple days go by and you want to work on your website. If you come back to your Drive and go to New and go here again, all that's going to do is open a brand new website, and that's not what you want. So when you have started a website, you're ready to go back and do some more editing. From your Drive, you can go to your app switcher here in the corner and choose Sites. It's going to take you to, I'm going to call this the old page. All these websites that you see here are websites that I have made using the old interface. Google has recently added this little option down here. If you wanted to create a website with the old format, you would go this route right here. But right now we're going to go ahead and use this, New Google Sites. And what we're doing is we're going to access the site that I just made. So it's going to bring you to what kind of reminds me a little bit of a Google Classroom page. And I did start a site previous to this for WeVideo tutorials. But you can see right here, here's the one that I just started a moment ago. And then from here, it's just a matter of opening it up, and it brings you right back to your editing screen. So that is creating and later accessing your new Google site.